How to open Snaps on Snapchat web. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you're gonna see the search box. Type in snapchat.com and search for it. You will be directed to the official website of Snapchat. Now at the top left you will find 3 bars, click on it. Then navigate to the option of accounts. You will land to the login page. Now here type in your Snapchat account's credentials to log into your account, username or email address. Click on Next. Type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, click on this option of Forgot Password to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Next. With that, you will be logged into the Snapchat account on the web. Now here you're gonna find different options. Clicking on the option of Chat, you will be prompted to download the Snapchat app. Clicking on the option of Lenses, you can select the lens of your choice. Click on the option of Stories, you can access the stories. Clicking on the option of Spotlight, you are also able to access the Spotlight. But when you try to access the chat and open the Snap, it's not possible because at the moment this option is not available in the Snapchat web. In order to open Snaps, you will need to download the Snapchat app. But if in the future Snapchat web comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. I hope now you guys are clear if you can open Snaps on Snapchat web or not. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.